It's snowing. Look at the snow. Snowing in Tucson. Big giant flakes. Big giant flakes. It's the first time it snowed here in a long time. It's been probably 8 years or so. 1 hour after the first video, and it's still going strong. The flakes have gotten smaller, so that means the air has gotten colder. They're not sticking together anymore. And we have good covering on the ground. It's about 2 inches. If you look here, about 2 inches on everything. And we have coverage. The ground has gotten cold enough for it to stick on everywhere, and the water is freezing over there. It's got a sheet of ice on top. So everywhere is getting covered now. So looks like we might get 4 to 6 inches.